Now let's understand another characteristic which is called as the asymptote. Okay, asymptote is essentially a straight line at a finite distance from origin. Okay, so just understand this is an important thing that we want to concentrate upon. It is a straight line at a finite distance from origin such that the perpendicular distance of a point on the curve from this particular line tends to 0 as the point tends to infinity. Okay, let's understand this definition by means of a diagram. Okay, let us suppose I have a curve which is something like this. Okay, if this is the curve, then I say this line is the asymptote of this curve because, look, let me draw it smoothly. So this is my curve. Okay, let us suppose this is x is equal to a straight line. Okay, this is x is equal to a straight line. So this is x is equal to a. I say this is the asymptote of this curve because if I take any point on this curve, okay, then the perpendicular distance of this point from this straight line, which is this, okay, this distance basically tends to 0 as this point tends to infinity along this curve. Okay, so when I come over here, this distance is decreased. When I come over here, this distance is still decreased. If I go like this, it's gonna be something like this. Okay, so at infinity, what's gonna happen is you can say that the distance is going to become 0, assuming this point is my infinity. Y is equal to infinity, then my distance is gonna become 0. Okay, so such a line is called as an asymptote. Okay, so you can essentially have three types of asymptotes. Okay, you could have a vertical asymptote, the one that we have just seen. So in that case, the curve is going to be something like this. Okay, as this goes to infinity, the distance tends to 0. Okay, you could have a horizontal asymptote. If this is your coordinate axis, then let us suppose this is your horizontal asymptote, then your curve could be something like this. Okay, as this goes to infinity in x direction, your distance would tend to 0. Okay, so this is your horizontal asymptote, this is your vertical asymptote. You could also have a oblique or a slant asymptote. Okay, so just look at this diagram. Let's suppose this is your slant asymptote, then your curve is going to be something like this. Okay, as the curve goes to infinity in both x and y direction, you would have the vertical, or rather this perpendicular distance, tending to 0. Okay, at infinity you would probably have them meeting and this distance is going to become 0. Okay, therefore this is a oblique asymptote. Okay, so the question is, how does a asymptote help me find out the shape of the curve? Okay, my intention is to trace the curve, right? So if I have found out the asymptote, how does it help me? It helps me like this. If I know this is my asymptote at x is equal to a, then I know my curve is going to be either like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. Okay, or it could be a combination of these four scenarios. So it may happen that for x less than a, it could be something like this. For x greater than a, it could be something like this. Okay, so I know for sure that my curve is something in one of these four scenarios, or a combination of these four scenarios. Okay, so it in a way tells me what is the shape of my curve near this asymptote. Okay, so near this, it is either one of these scenarios or a combination of these scenarios. Okay, I can